At Nilan, we design, specify and manufacture heat pumps and ventilation systems. My role working within Nilan is as a mechanical design engineer, and I design, specify and lay out systems for residential, domestic and commercial settings. I like technical challenges, and I suppose what appealed to me about engineering is that you're not specifically tied down to one area. One look at a job search engine will really open your eyes to the vast range of opportunities available in the engineering sector. I don't think there's any such thing as a typical day in the life of an engineer. It changes from day to day. One day it could be designing and specifying a system for a commercial setting, the next day it could be for a large residential project, and the day after it could be for a private domestic house. And there's quite a bit of travel as well in the job, so I'm over and back to the UK and up and down the country, so every day has fresh challenges. I suppose my highlight working as an engineer so far was with my previous employer. I was relocated to California for 3 months working as a resident engineer for one of the world's leading electric vehicle manufacturers. And while I was over there, I was working with many different cultures and different methods of work. So the experience I gained was invaluable. I suppose what really opened my eyes over there was the vast range of opportunities available to all types of engineers. I suppose anyone looking to become an engineer, what I would say to you is if you like a technical challenge, if you like diversity, if you like each day being different from the previous, then I would definitely recommend looking into engineering. There's so many different avenues that you can explore. You're not tied to one specific role for the rest of your life. The world is your oyster really. What I've learned in my time as an engineer is, no matter where in the world you go, there's always lots of opportunities for engineers. Hi, I'm Dean, and I've been working in the engineering industry for the last 9 years.